and I need one quick.
What type are you interested in?
It doesn't matter. Just one of those.
That one, the little one right there.
Panasonic or Fujitsu?
No, that one.
The Samsung.
Yeah, the Samsung. I'll take it.
First, you have to charge the
Batteries?
batteries.
Yeah, okay. How long will that take?
4 hours.
Do you have one that's ready to go right now?
Fujitsu or Fuji?
Which one do you recommend? The Fujitsu or the Fuji?
You.